Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to take screenshots on Windows. Now there are some common ways to take screenshots in Windows. So the first one is by using the print screen key. Now if you want to take a screenshot of the entire screen, simply press the print screen key. This will copy the entire screen to your clipboard. Then you will need to paste it into an image editor like Paint to save it. If you want to capture only the active window, press the alternate and the print screen. This captures only the active window. The second method you can use is the window key plus the print screen. This combination captures the entire screen and automatically saves it to the screenshots folder in your pictures library. The third method is by pressing the Windows key and the Shift key and the S key. This opens the sniping tool, which allows you to select a specific area of the screen to capture. Now let me show you how to use the sniping tool. So there are two ways to get there. I said the Windows key, the Shift key and the S key. So if I press down my Windows, Shift and the S key at the same time, it opens up the sniping tool. Then for a screen snipe, I can now select the area I want. This is one way to do it. You can see snipe save to clipboard, the way I can now copy and share it from there. Now another way you can do it is by opening the snipe tool from the start menu. You just simply type your snipe tool and then you open it, and once you've done that, choose the type of snipe you want. We have rectangular, we have freeform window. So I like, this is the new, this is mode, rectangular, freeform, window and full screen. Let's say I want to do window, or I can decide this is the window snipe. You can see done already, as simple as that. Now the next thing you can do, after selecting the area you want to capture, the screenshot will be saved in your sniping tool.